Hello everyone, welcome back to the welcome back to the reports sessions. Right, we are looking at the different types of reports in automation. Right, in the previous classes we have seen test engine default reports, report engine, and how to integrate extent reports, Alluri reports with the Selenium test engine. Right, if anyone did not watch, please go and watch those videos. Right. Please subscribe to the channel, enable notifications so that whenever I will release the new video, you will get notified. You will not miss out the videos. Right. Anyway, we'll go into the video. Today session is how to generate different types of reports in Cucumber. Different types of reports in the Cucumber. Right. Cucumber, this is a Cucumber is like a BDD right framework. Right, behavior driven development. Right. That is a right, we will write some future file, step definition file, runner files. Right, so that everyone will be. What is the advantage of BDD framework? Right, BDD framework will be right. That is a gateway, like between the gateway between the right clients, BAs, and then developers, testers. Right, everyone would be on the same sync. Right, they will follow same feature file, whatever we will write. So that right will mostly we will reduce the right defects or right miscommunications between. Sometimes we will miss the right story what we discussed, some points we will miss, but if you follow this feature files BDD framework, right, mostly everything we will write under feature files. BAs also will review that. They will also clearly understand those steps because it is a plain English language, right? So that we will reduce the those missing points. We cannot miss more, right, missing anything, right. Testing also will go very smoothly. That is just a high level of the Cucumber. Right, here we will have in the Cucumber feature files, a runner file, and the step definition file. Right, here simple thing here, not complicated. Just will create the Maven project. Right, everyone will know how to create the Maven project. Right click new, go to other, search for Maven project, and then click on the next checkbox, create simple project. Then you can give the group ID. Group ID is like a right company name. Suppose I am working for some right Oracle, right, I will give a then project. Right, suppose I am working on some banking project, right, it has some name. Right, just give the group ID, artifact ID, click on finish. That's it. Right, first step we have to create the Maven project. Then second step is it will generate a red POM file. Right. Maven project means we will have a pom.xml file. Right. It will come this group ID. This will generate based on whatever we have given. It will. I have given group ID rg.xml artifacted cucumber.testng version. It will generate automatically version. Some properties are there. Maven compiler source, target source. What is the advantage of it? I am telling to this project I am using some. Please use the JDK 17. Right, this is the encoding format. This is the optional. If we have any special right French language, different languages, right, to recognize those, we will use this. Currently UTF-8. UTF-8 means currently whatever we are writing English language, right, that is it will recognize. Cucumber version, right, 7.21.1. Right, here what are the dependencies? Cucumber IO, Cucumber core, Cucumber Java, Cucumber plugin, right, Cucumber JUnit, Cucumber test engine. These are all related to Cucumber. Right, these are all related to Cucumber. Then main thing is Cucumber. We are right test engine extent report to Cucumber. Right, we will see later this one. Then test engine. Then Surefire plugin. Right, this is the common. If you want to run from the Maven, we required this Surefire plugin and which runner file we want to run. Right, basic simple dependency management. We will come this dependency later. Right, then come to form file is done. Next, we will come to src test Java. Here main things are what we have to create the first feature file under src test resources. Features, simple feature file. You can create anything. Feature file will have a what are the keywords. It will have feature. What is the feature name and what is the description of the feature. Right. This is optional. Just we have to give the feature scenario. Just I have given a simple addition. Right. Given first number is 5 and the second number is I want to add these numbers. The result should be 8. Addition, subtraction. You can take one scenario itself. That's it. Right, future scenario given and when no then. Right, BDD framework means it will follow given and when no then. So that everyone will understand, right? BS will understand, developers, testers, all will easily understand this feature file. They can also review it, okay, whether automation is going correctly, they have validating correct steps or not. If anything is missing, they will immediately tell, right, you are missing this. Just add that step also. That simple steps. Right. One more is library. Alright. It is not required. Just I have added one more also. Yeah. Right. First we have to add the feature files. Right. Then we have to create. Right. Once we add feature file, then suppose runner file. We will go to runner file. Step definition will come later. Right. Runner file. In runner file, what are the things? Just these are the things we don't. Right. This we will see later. Right, in the run with runner file, just create the one class, right, with any name, right. Then we add the run with cucumber data. Right, how we will run with cucumber options. First we have to give the first attribute is features at the rate cucumber options features. Where is the features? src test resources slash features. This is the folder, right. We are telling to cucumber take feature files from here. Next, glue code. Glue code means our step definitions from where it want to take. Right, under src test java com dot avan avant stack. Right, from here take the feature files. Just we are telling in any package name we can give. Right, glue code take from here. Right, publish to means it will publish to the some cucumber cloud. Right, there is cucumber cloud. We can publish to cucumber cloud also if required. Right, otherwise we know. Alright, then what type of reports we can generate here? One is pretty report. That means in the console. Right, suppose if I remove this pretty, what will happen? It will display in different format. We'll see that. Pretty format, that means console. In the text format, it will display in the console. One is JSON file. We can generate a JSON file, JUnit file. JSON, we can give any path, JSON colon, but it is we should give under plugin attribute, right? Plugin equal to open curly bracket, close curly bracket. Right, all the plugins we have to give. We can give any number of plugins, comma sub double quotes, comma separated. Pretty plugin, comma JSON. If you want to generate the JSON file, JSON colon, which folder we want to generate. I have given target folder slash my report JSON report.json. Then JUnit colon. Right, right. We will see. Suppose first I will remove this pretty. Right, pretty. Then we'll run it just simple. Just I will run it. How it will display. Let's see. It is displayed like this. Right, it is displayed like. Suppose if I enable pretty. Let's see. It is displayed scenario wise. neatly. Right, that is the pretty report. That means it will report in the text format on the console. Right, right. Just I have added some features because of we are getting null pointer here. Right, hooks. Where we are getting that 16. Right here I am using some steps. Right, extend steps. Just let me comment this. We will see later these things. Currently we don't require those. Right, first one is the predictive render. If you enable this predictive plugin, then we will get a report on the console. That is the first thing. Then one more is JSON and J. Now run it again. JSON and XML report. Right, these JSON and XML reports we can give to third-party library. We can generate reports. Right, see where it will generate target my report. See under target my report it is generated. Right, if you take a JSON, right, it will generate a start time, what is the ID, what is the output, whether it is passed, how much time it took. Right, all the by taking this JSON, right, we can also generate a report. Right, XML also same thing, right, whether each step passed or failed. Right, it will give JSON report to JUnit. But these two are for the right for the testers not that much comfortable. Right, but by looking at we cannot understand those things. Right, it is very difficult to read. So one more report we can enable HTML. Right, HTML where it will generate same folder target slash my report cucumber, any name. Here we can give any name cucumber report, but extension should be .html, .json, .xml. Right, just enable this plugin, HTML plugin. Right, now run it again, run as a JUnit test. Okay, that's done. Refresh. Alright, see cucumber report. Right click, open with the system editor. Right, fine, see 100% pass 7 executed Windows 10 machine. What is the JDK used? How much time it took? 20 seconds ago we ran. Rate 1.2 seconds duration. Cucumber JVM. What is the Cucumber version? Here two files we have executed. Calculator library. If we expand it, see it will show neatly. Right, it will show each step clearly. All are passed. Right, all are passed. See there are some. This is logs, right? This log from where it is coming? Hooks file scenario. This is the we have a hooks, right? Before, after, right, before step, after step, before all, after. We can add scenario dot, right, it has argument scenario dot log. This log is right, we can log anything here. Right, we can log anything here. Just I have added this is a log message from the hooks class. Right, for each after means it will execute after the execution of the all the steps. Right, here we can add right, see whether pass or fail also. Right, how to add that? Right, we will see this later. Just scenario dot pass, scenario dot is fail. If it is failed, then it will return true. Suppose just I will negate it, that means passed. Then scenario dot log. We'll see, we'll get any name, right? Scenario dot get name, right? Just will give past. Okay, else failed. Okay, failed. Right, just let me quickly execute it again. Right, like this we can add the custom loggers. Refresh it. Again, right click, open with the system editor. Okay, fine. We will go to right, see addition passed, subtraction passed. Right, it got it will show all. Second report, see second feature file also. Right, it will show feature file wise. Right, calculator Java library. Right, a cucumber report. Right, a cucumber report. Right, now we have a one more report, extend report. Right, how to integrate it? These are all the default reports provided by Cucumber. Right, now how to generate a integrate extend report? How to integrate extend report to this? For that, first step is right. For that, first step is in the POM file. Right, we have to add extend reports. Extend reports Cucumber 7 adapter. Right, this is tech dot grasshopper extend reports. How to get this? Right, we can go to Maven. Right, you can just type extend reports Cucumber 7. Right, we Cucumber. Right, if you type like this, right, we will not get properly that. We have to give either 6 extend reports Cucumber 6 or 7. Right, see 7. Right, most currently latest one is 7 extend reports hyphen Cucumber 7 adapt. Sometimes we will not get immediately, we have to scroll down. Right, like that, just give extend reports hyphen Cucumber 7, then it will come, then right click on it, copy this, paste it. Right, this one, this is the first step we have to add in the POM file. Then next one, SRC test resources. We have to create under SRC test resources extend dot properties. Extend dot properties. Right, here we have to enable the report. Extend dot reporter dot spark dot start. True. Then extend dot reporter dot spark dot out, where I want to generate. Right, I am giving target spark extend report dot html. We can give any path. Right, these two properties. Just if we don't give, default report will generate default location under test output. Right, if I want to customize my output where I want to generate, we can give this. This is optional, but this is mandatory. Extend report dot spark dot true. Right. First step is POM file. We have to add the dependency. Then SRC test resource. Second step, extend dot properties. We have to add this property. Second property is optional. Then come to our runner class. Come to our runner class. We have to add the plugin. Right. Plugin. Com dot event stack dot extend reports dot cucumber dot adapter dot extend cucumber adapt. This plugin we have to add. Then only it will generate cucumber extend cucumber report. Extend report will generate by using this plugin. Right, now run it. Right, I think one more thing. If we want to add steps, right, just I have commented out, right. If you want to add your own logs, right, your own logs, wherever we want, we can call just simply extend cucumber adapter dot get current step dot log. We can add it in the feature file steps also. in the future file steps also. Next I have added in the after. Extend cucumber report to dot adapter dot get current step dot log dot. We have to give status either pass fail, right? Pass fail anything. We can give here multiple status pass skip warning fail info. Right? We can by using this step, right? We can add anywhere this step. Then how to attach the suppose if it is a failed. Suppose if it is a failed scenario is a fail. Here we have passed that. Just we will add the fail step. Suppose if it is a failed, right? We can add the. We can take the screenshot and we can add. Right? Currently, right? I am not using any Selenium code here, right? If you are using Selenium code, just right, we can take the. We have to write one method to take the screenshot. Pass the path. Pass the path. Right, then extend report dot get current step dot log. We have to pass the media object. That's it. By using like this, we can attach right wherever we want. We can call this steps also. We can call this right. Just a reusable method. We can create. Call that reusable method. Pass the path of that screenshot. That's it. Right. Then just run it again. Okay. Refresh it. It will generate under Spark reporter. Right. This is the extend report. Let's see. It will generate right categories at the right library calculator. How many are there? Test cases here. Scenarios. Right. Right. It is the overall. Same as extend report. How it will looks like same. Right. But here in the steps, what it will show clearly edition scenario. What are the steps? Right. Like this. What are the steps we have added? It will show here. Right. Extend reporter. Right. Like this we can generate different types. What are the different? One is the console report, HTML, JSON, JUnit, and Cucumber. Extend report. Extend report. Right. We will see Alluri report how to integrate in the next class. Right. If you like my way of presentation, right content, please subscribe to the channel. Enable notification. Please comment it out. If you have any doubts, I can reply to them. Thanks for watching.